Hi mga ka-UVG, ako ulit. So, siya nga po pala, una sa lahat gusto kong magpasalamat sa mga new subscriber natin, sa mga nag-comment po at saka sa mga nag-like. Thank you so much po. So, tignan natin kung anong ganap sa ating mga ka-UVG collective. Let's see. The Emperor card. The Full card. For the Pentacles. So, you're bossing up here, Virgo, when it comes to your finances. Yun ang on the spot. Okay. So, meron ka dito holding close to your self or basta bossing up energy. Emperor card is a commander. If you are a business owner, you're taking a risk so much. Okay. But at the same time, wisely with the Four of Pentacles. Okay. Business, Queen of Cups. Okay, parang hindi lang naman po sa business. When it comes to career din po, ibig sabihin kapagka ikaw ang Virgo na merong 9 to 5 jobs, okay, you're bossing up sa grupo, okay, or you're taking your dominant power here, okay. Dominant character mo, okay, you're taking a risk. Okay, you know better kasi ang Emperor is marami siyang experience. Okay, so wala po tayong gender sa energy. And when it comes to Four of Pentacles, meron ka po ditong financially saving. Okay. Hindi ko naman sinabing greedy card to. Okay. Sometimes it can represent greediness. Depende po sa mga clarification niyang card. So, pero dito, you're taking a risk and at the same time, financially wise. Okay. So, with the Queen of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles. Okay. So, merong offer dito, Virgo. O merong opportunity dito. This is big, huge. Okay. So, kung ano man ang ininvest mo, Virgo, this is can represent investment also. Okay, kung nag-invest ka or meron kang business or sa career mo, ano mang career meron ka, merong offer dito. Okay. Ace of Pentacles or merong new opportunity dito sa'yo. Okay. What else? Oh, the Lovers. Decision making. Ten of Pentacles. Wow, Virgo, ang ganda ng energy mo. Ten of Pentacles. Ano to? Um, Multiple source of income. Okay. Wow, nag-invest ka talaga. Very wise. Very wise ang decision mo dito. Okay. But with the Lover's card, meron ditong gustong very nostalgic, Virgo. Hindi siya maka-move on. Holding on into something. Okay, so, merong offer dito. Pero I think, we'll see. Tell me more. Queen of Pentacles. And the Judgment card. Justice, I mean, sorry. So, with the Justice card, sa spread na to, Virgo, merong offer dito sa yung business or promoted ka dito, basta there is something about the boss energy or the father figure energy. Okay, or maybe ikaw ang boss energy dito, Virgo. Okay, someone from the past, okay, is approaching. Okay, gustong mag-build ng stability sa'yo dito. But at the same time, meron tayong dalawang tao, Queen of Pentacles at saka Queen of Cups. So, if this person na mag-o-offer sa'yo ng opportunity is already in a situation kasi with the Emperor and the Ten of Pentacles. Okay, but this Emperor, kung sino man to siya, kung sino man ang kinakausap ko ngayon, this person will take a risk. Okay, in order to be with the Justice card eh. So, tingnan natin. Tell me more. Seven of Wands in the reverse. Knight of Wands. So, with the Virgo, meron ditong communication. Okay, so, ano nga ang tawag niyan? Meron ditong communicate sa iyo regarding from the past na you will caught, he will caught or she will caught you off guard. Parang nabigla ka. Bigla to eh. Knight of Wands is like, make things done. Okay. Together with the romantic card, someone dito is very nostalgic about you, Virgo. Not gonna lie. Ito, hindi move on, holding on into something very nostalgic with the Six of Cups and together with the Knight of Cups. Okay, so meron dito magko-communicate sa'yo. Father figure energy or maybe this person is wanting to have a business partner with you. With the Queen of Cups and the Ace of Pentacles, this is definitely an opportunity. The Lover's card is a decision making between relationship, between commitment here, Virgo, with with the Lover's card. Together with the meron ditong defense. You know what I mean? May defense dito. Seven of Wands. Seven of Wands can represent defensiveness, pero I think walang depensa dito eh. Bakit ganun? Yung guard mo bumaba. What else? The Strength card. And Hangman. So, merong delay dito. Lakas ng tama nito eh. Merong Knight of Cups dito together with the Strength card. I don't know if this person is dealing with two people here. Virgo or baka ikaw. Meron dito nagdi-deal sa two person. Okay. So, with the Hangman, merong delay. Together with the Justice card, wow, parang confused ako doon Pero itong spread na to, definitely merong person from the past na gusto makipag-collaborate sa'yo, okay. Pero decision needs to be made. Kailangan gumawa ng decision dito ng person na makikipag-connect sa'yo. Kasi meron siya ditong nakikita, taking a risk din to, hindi rin to easy para sa kanya. Okay. Tsaka itong person na 'to meron kayong something nito before with the Ten of Pentacles is multiple source of income. Pero meron ditong depensang bumaba. I think clarify the Seven of Wands. Page of Cups. Kung before guarded tong taong to or maybe ikaw ay guarded, Virgo, I think biglang naglaho yung meron kasing communication with the Knight of Wands eh. Hindi ko alam, basta expect some communication, Virgo, with the past person. This person is gonna offer you something, you know. And I think with the Strength card, you are strong enough to say no or say yes. Either way. But the thing is, merong stuck here. Someone is stuck into the situation. Okay. So, with the justices being here, I think, sasabihin ko to for short meron ditong isang person na gustong iahon mo siya sa stuck situation. I mean, ikaw lang dito ang nakikita niyang makakapag-pull out sa kanya sa sitwasyon. Wow, ang galing naman, 'di ba? Nakikita niya kung how strong you are financially pagdating sa diskarte, and you are a very nurturer person. Wala po tayong gender sa energy, okay? Kasi mga queen ang nandito. Meron din tayong emperor, okay? So, wala po tayong gender sa energy. Meaning to say, yung energy ng Queen of Pentacles at saka energy ng Queen of Cups is ini-embody mo. Lakas ng dating mo dito, kaya itong person na to is papasok. Together with the Hangman. Merong stuck dito na gusto ikaw with the Justice card is Karma card. Gusto niyang, gusto niyang magsimula ng panibago dito. I think kung nasa ang sitwasyon man siya ngayon, okay, he's stuck, okay. Gusto niya, meron desire dito na maging boss energy or basta. With the Emperor card, tell me more. 7 of Swords. Sabi ko na nga ba, I smell something. Together with the Empress card doon. Dami ng tao dito ngayon. So, merong mag-sneak out dito, Virgo. Emperor, Empress. So, meron tayong couple dito. I think this person, kung saan sitwasyon man siya ngayon, hindi niya nakikita yung sarili niya na kasama niya yung other half niya. I think the another half is, I think, ikaw. Okay. Or maybe either way, Virgo, you are thinking about this person. This person is your other half. Yung bagang feeling na meron kang person physically, like, di ba? Pero in the back of your mind, there is something na merong something na kulang. Okay. So, kasi ang Emperor at saka Empress couple yan. Okay. So, soulmate, twin flame, hindi na ako pupunta dyan sa daan na yan, pero definitely meron ditong Emperor, Empress, boss energy. In some point, meron kayo nito, pero merong sneak out. Clarify the Be careful, Virgo, kasi ang Seven of Swords is lying, stealing, cheating. Okay. So, be careful with this person when it comes to past person. Okay. Kasi gusto lang nitong person na to na hatakan mo siya sa sitwasyon na pinasok niya. Okay. Pero nandito ang multiple source of income mo eh. I think this person, nakikita ka niya as stable. Financially, stable ba? Basta stable by yourself. Okay. You're building your own empire here. At saka gusto niya alam mo yun, yung sa mga sinaunang panahon na yung isang kingdom gustong ano sa isang kingdom kasi nakikita na ang kingdom niya is bumabagsak na. Tapos kailangan niya ng kasapi. Yung ganun ba? Sana naman ay nagigets ako, Virgo. Pero yun ang nakukuha ko dito. Pero be careful kasi with the Seven of Swords, this person is dealing with a lot. Okay. But, nararamdaman niyang ikaw lang ang other half niya. Hindi siya kung nasa ang sitwasyon man siya ngayon with the Lover's card. Kasi ang Lover's card po is decision making when it comes to relationship. Okay. So, this person is stuck. Okay. Gusto niya with the Justice card, may humatak sa kanya into the situation, which is ikaw, kasi nostalgic siya dito when it comes to you. If this person betray you or pinagpalit ka on someone, I don't think so, Virgo, na magiging magiging generous ka pa dito. I think this person nahuli ka nito, I mean nahuli ka niya ng wala kang parang yung parang hindi mo ini-expect na magko-communicate siya, binigla ka nito, eh. Very sneaky person, nag-communicate 'to sa'yo in a very sneaky way or maybe gumamit ng ibang account or maybe tumawag sa ibang number, tapos nasagot mo, tapos nag-usap kayo and then ang usapan niya is like, ang bilis. Ang bilis ng pangyayari, ang dami niyang sinabi, meron siyang offer dito, merong mga hindi maka-move on kind of thing, kailangan niya magdesisyon, ikaw lang, what the freak, Virgo? Ang bilis ng pangyayari. So, what else? See? Gusto nitong makipag-collaborate or makipag-business partnership with you. Pero this person, alam niyang maraming kompetensya dito. So, merong argument na din or I think when it comes to partnership, I think ikaw ang magde-decide, Virgo. So, this person is very conflicted. Conflicted siya sa sarili niya. Conflicted siya sa sarili niya pagdating sa pakikipag-partner sa'yo. When it comes to business or when it comes to opportunity, Virgo. Kasi nakikita na you grow a lot. Parang tinumbasan mo yung strategy niya before. Okay. Kung meron mang separation na nangyari dito, Virgo, be careful with this person. That's what I'm gonna say. Pero with the Ten of Pentacles, this person, gusto niyang mag-grow, pero nasa stuck siya na sitwasyon. Okay. Gusto niya makipag-collaborate sa'yo. I don't know, Virgo. Nasa huli talaga ang realization, ano. Two of Swords, decision making nga. Nasa sa'yo pa rin ang decision dito. Kung makikipag-partnership ka or hindi. Okay, kasi you know better. Alam mo kung ano tong person na to. Ang Emperor po kasi is commander, demand. You know what I mean? But if this person is already dealing with something, then ang Empress is kaya niyang mag-give way in any way, shape, or form. Okay, basta sa ikabubuti ng lahat. Okay, majority. So, kung makikita ng Virgo na makikipag-partnership to, and then maraming maaapakan na tao, then nasa crossroad ka, Virgo, ngayon. Pero with the Justice card is being here, gusto lang nitong taong tong i-pull out mo siya sa sitwasyon na pinasok niya. Okay, gusto niya magsimula ng new beginning dito regarding sa'yo. Ikaw lang yung naramdaman niya dito, very financially stable, very loving, very caring. Ikaw lang yung nag-care sa kanya na walang ibang magki-care sa kanya tulad ng pag-care mo. Walang 1 in a million. Okay, yun ang kikita ko dito. Pero expect some communication with this person. I think it will caught you off guard, Virgo. Tapos mag-o-offer to ng emotion. Alam niya, very romantic with the Knight of Cups, Page of Cups, Six of Cups. Okay, so may mga words siya ditong bibitawan na hindi ako makamove on, ikaw lang. Nag-try ako maghanap, oo nga, ganito, but still, wala, I don't know, Virgo. Hindi ko alam. Together with the King of Cups, may couple na tayo dito naman, Queen of Cups. The same energy talaga kayo, no? In some point, parehas talaga kayo, no? In some point talaga para bagang magkaparehas kayo ng magkaparehas kayo, meron kayong similarity sa mga bagay-bagay. Okay. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. So, yes, Virgo. Emotionally, so kailangan mo mag-desisyon if this person mag-communicate, kailangan mo mag-decide. Okay. Kailangan mo mag-decide when it comes to this person. So, let me know in the comment below if may kaganapang ganito. Okay, so, Virgo, sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time po, okay? Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang advice. Naloloading ako dito sa Seven of Swords, eh. Very sneaky person. Okay, gusto niya lang na tanggalin mo siya sa sitwasyon na pinasok niya. Okay. He will or she will come back around. Okay. May dala siyang romantic kind of yung mga gusto mo marinig. This person is going to take a big risk. Okay, kasi pumasok na siya sa sitwasyon eh. And I think you are doing your own thing here with the Empress card. Financially, you're focusing more on your finances. Okay. So, yes, tingnan natin kung ano ang advice, Virgo. Ay, mag-focus yan. Don't let pride get in your way. Okay, don't let your pride get in the way, Virgo. Kung kanino man yan. A new start is coming, definitely. Merong gustong ditong magsimula ulit. Ano yun, puro na lang simula. Ay, Virgo. Nangyari. Okay. Step out of your comfort zone. Okay. So, you are being, baka nasanay ka ng ikaw lang or nasanay ka ng wala tong person na to. So, gets mo ako. So, baka nasanay na siya na or baka nasanay ka na wala nang babalikan, wala na pag-asa. Pero all of a sudden, with the 7 of Wands in the reverse, bibigla na lang to. Tatawag sa ibang number, basta magpa-pop out na lang yan siya. Bigla-bigla. Okay, or gagamit ng ibang account, tapos makakausap mo siya pala yun. What the freak? Look at the bigger picture. So, you have to look at the bigger picture, Virgo. Okay, kung anong intention nitong person na tong mag-a-approach sa'yo. Okay, kasi there is something smelling fishy here. Okay, so I think with the Empress card, you will use your own discernment. I think sanay ka ng wala tong person na to. So, it's up to you, Virgo, kung tatanggapin mo ang offer nito or makikipag-collaborate ka with the Three of Pentacles. Okay, as I said, it's up to you. Kung conflicted ka or marami kang iniisip, you need to make a decision, Virgo, kasi titirahin ka nito emotionally. In some point, meron kayong parehas na meron kayong same energy dito. Same energy, as in, Queen and Queen and King of Cups together with the Emperor and the Empress. Ano talaga siya talagang sinasabayan niya yung kung anong karakter meron ka pero hindi niya masabayan yung finances dito. Okay, in some point, I don't know. But if you're dealing with a person na boss energy and business owner, tapos meron siyang going on na family, I think gusto ka nitong nakikita ka niya as husband and or wife material. And gusto niya makipag-collaborate sa'yo, meron siyang gustong i-offer. Okay, so gusto niya mag-restart dito somewhere, pero with you. Okay, so if this is a new person, Virgo, someone is very attracted to you. Okay, tsaka nakikita niya na parehas kayo na may similarity kayo when it comes to emotion, being a boss, okay, or when it comes to work. Okay, Virgo, but this person is already dealing with someone or another situation. So, merong sneakiness tayo dito. Mahuhuli ka nito para hindi mo inaasahan. Very unexpected with the Seven of Wands. Okay, kasi Seven of Wands is standing your ground. Sasabihin mo kung ano yung pinapaniwalaan mo. Parang feeling ko lalambot ka dito eh. Magiging marshmallow ka dito. Okay, so yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. So, that's what I have for you. Okay, so sa mga hindi pa maka-resonate, better luck next time po. Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So, that's what I have for you, Virgo. Thank you for being here, Virgo. Thank you for watching, and bye for now. Ay, sorry. Meron pa palang angel message. Nagmamadali ay. Sandali. Tingnan natin kung anong angel message number ni Virgo. Go, paki-google nga. Ay, sorry Virgo, loading ako. Ang dami pumasok na senaryo nung patapos na ako. But, sige na nga. Tingnan natin kung anong angel message number. Hindi ko pa nga pala nakikita yung bottom of the deck, no? Ang bottom of the deck po is the Wheel of Fortune. So, there is destined here para sa clarity na rin. Okay. So, it's up to you, Virgo, kung ang communication mo is gonna be no or yes. Okay. So, you have the Strength card. You're strong enough to say no, to say yes. Okay. It's up to you. It's up to you. So, tingnan natin kung anong angel message number. Pero be careful pa din with this person. Either new person or past person kasi talagang merong sneakiness dito. Okay. Sneaky. Very sneaky. So, tingnan natin kung anong angel message number. Okay. Virgo, meron kang 5 to 1, meron kang Jack and Queen, your ancestor. So, meron kang mga mensahe dito. Google mo siya, angel message number 5 to 1. Okay. So, baka makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo ngayon. So, that's what I have for you, Virgo. Okay. So, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. And bye for now.